Natural disasters have long been an unavoidable part of the human history, bringing severe consequences and sometimes costly lessons. France, a country with proud beauty and a long history, is no exception to the whirlwind of natural tragedies. This nation has witnessed numerous natural disasters, from historic floods to devastating hurricanes that can destroy a vast city. Are these phenomena punishments from Mother Nature, messages from God, or simply natural storms in the Earth's cycle? We invite you to leave your opinions on this matter in the comments section so we can together find solutions to prevent similar disasters in the future. Now let us look back at the terrifying moments Mother Nature has brought to France and explore the mysteries behind the tremendous power. The storm Kieran, which began in the early days of November 2023, captured the attention of all of Europe as it was rated as one of the largest storms in the past 20 years. Starting from dark, ominous clouds, the storm quickly turned into a natural fury, bringing unpredictable destruction and leading to a dangerously unforeseeable situation. In the Manche department, waves as high as 10 meters crashed onto the shore, engulfing everything in the roar of nature's force. By November 2nd, 2023, the storm had claimed the lives of 7 people as it ravaged through Western Europe, with wind speeds reaching a record-breaking 200 kilometers per hour. In western France, uprooted trees caused traffic congestion, while strong winds destroyed signs and tore roofs off houses. Notably, over 1.2 million households were left in the dark as utility companies struggled to repair the damage caused by this disaster. Unceasing heavy rains transform many residential areas into seas of water, destroying infrastructure and leaving thousands homeless. In the Northwest provinces, recorded rainfall of up to 60 millimeters caused 54 areas to flood, as the ground could no longer absorb water after 2 weeks of continuous rain. The wind force of Storm Kieran, reaching terrifying speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, not only caused ancient trees to break, but also destroyed homes and disrupted daily life. Historical structures and cultural heritage, including centuries-old castles, were also unable to escape nature's destructive power. Despite prior warnings about this natural disaster, people were still shocked by the unpredictable devastation. In these moments of emergency, they could only watch helplessly as their possessions and hard work were swallowed by the natural disaster. About 2 months before Storm Kirian, an extremely heavy rainfall event caused a nightmare in the southern region of France on September 16th. This natural disaster intensified in the afternoon, forcing authorities to issue a red alert across the entire area for risk of severe flooding. The unforeseen amount of rainfall, ranging from 200 to 600 millimeters and exceptionally reaching up to 650 millimeters in isolated areas, caused the LaRue Tour River to overflow in Saint-Martin-en-Deslandes. Shortly thereafter, streets and buildings in the town center were submerged under more than 2 meters of water, creating an unforgettable scene for the residents of this area. This heavy rain event is particularly notable because it occurred after a hot, dry summer in southeastern France, leaving the land parched and river levels low before the storm hit. This increased the speed of the water flow when the heavy rain fell, contributing to the sudden and unforeseeable flood disaster. Remarkably, this flooding disaster occurred just 1 week after similar heavy rains devastated the Guard Department about 100 kilometers to the west. The succession of flood disasters in a short period has posed significant challenges for the towns and communities in terms of reconstruction and stabilization. The disastrous floods in the south of France in September of 2023 will be remembered as one of the most terrible flood disasters ever, highlighting the critical issue of climate change and its impact on the communities along the LaRue Tour River. The question arises whether the force of these natural disasters is solely a result of human-induced climate change, or if they represent the wrath of God inflicted upon the people of France. Historically, the Bible has documented catastrophes that God sent to eradicate life on Earth. One of the most famous examples is the story of the Great Flood recorded in the book of Genesis. According to the narrative, God decided to use a massive flood to wipe out all the creatures from the face of the earth due to his outrage at human wickedness and sinfulness. Only Noah, who was righteous in the eyes of God, his family, and the animals he saved on the ark were spared to preserve life. You may believe or not believe in the signs mentioned in the Bible. However, it is evident that natural disasters do no good for our world. Overall, whether these phenomena serve as a reminder from Mother Nature to us, mere humans or not, but clearly our world needs to undergo a change. Let's act together and collectively safeguard our own environment. Please leave your discussion comments below the video comments section. Thank you very much for your keen interest, follow-up, and enthusiastic support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. For now, we say goodbye and look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Wishing everyone a warm day with your family.